Welcome to the Best of 2023 Countertops. Hi, I'm Francisca Alonso, the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects Plus Builders, and we've been in business for 23 years in the Northern Virginia area.
Hi, I'm David Benson, president at Architessa, the region's largest woman-owned tile and stone company, and we're here today in our DC showroom.
So David, looking back at 2023 year in review, what can you tell me about countertops?
Countertops, they're very useful everywhere. What we saw is a huge spike in porcelain countertops. So porcelain is an alternative to a quartz material. And one of the neat factors about porcelain is that you can have a glossy or a matte finish with the same style. I will see a lot of times people do a matte finish for their countertops and then a polish finish for the backsplash. A lot of times the matte finish performs better on a countertop surface.
Right, less fingerprints.
Yes.
So the standard, thickness is 3 centimeters or 2 centimeters for quartz and granite, and that's been, the standard for a very long time.
Right.
But now with these large format slabs, you can actually do a much thinner profile, which is very cool when you're doing something very modern, minimalistic, correct?
Yeah. 100%. And even when you get into the thinner materials like 6 millimeter or 12 millimeter, you just have to think about the edge profile.
Right.
So sometimes you will have to miter the edge and have some sort of waterfall off the front of the edge of the countertop. Another reason why they need you to think about those things ahead of time.
There's a lot of details to countertops, especially when you're using a unique product. That brings me to our next question about the evolution of countertops.
So as I look at it, when I was growing up in the tile business, I saw countertops with small 4x4 tiles. So in the small ceramic tiles, and there were so many grout joints. And now with porcelain, you're taking the durability and the longevity of a porcelain, which is slightly better than a granite and slightly better than a quartz, and you're putting on the counter. When we look at that monolithic look over a countertop, you're able to choose many different colors, and the graphic on a porcelain is way better than a quartz because of the process of how it's made.
Right.
So that's really what makes porcelain stand out more.
We always, our clients love that waterfall detail, especially if it's an artistic piece of slab, because now I can see the pattern going horizontal and then literally waterfalling over the cabinet, and now it's like artwork.
Yeah, and it's amazing when that vein carries over all the way down.
Yeah, those are the keeper installers. So tell me a little bit about aesthetic trends. So, looks in 2023.
So I've seen an increase in volume of colors, whether it's a blue countertop or a differentiating movement within the countertop where it's white and strong heavy veining, or even black with white veining in the countertop. So drawing your eye there through pattern.
Right, drawing attention. Because in a kitchen, the big components that make up the overall aesthetic of the kitchen is the cabinets and the countertop.
Right.
And of course that backsplash.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I agree.
Well, moving on in the conversation, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about functionality of countertops. Tell me a little bit about the functionality of porcelain countertops.
So porcelain, if installed in the appropriate way, it is the most durable, long lasting. You can put hot things on it. You can wash it with any kind of material, not worrying about whether the resin in the countertop will be affected by the color and the cleaner. And for the look and price, compared to a quartz material, I would say it's fantastic.
It's hard to tell the difference.
Yeah.
Only when you go to the side and you see how thin it is, and you're like, well, God didn't make that, it's way too thin.
Well, the one neat thing is the industry, they are actually making full vein going through the tile. and
Wow.
the slabs. So as you come over the edge, you are able to see a vein continue through. It's going to be a game changer for the countertop industry.
Look out, 2024.
Exactly.
What's the most cost-effective way to create a great look in 2023 with countertop?
Most cost effective is actually going to move back to a granite. As you look at that scale of price point and affordability, the marbles and the quartzites are going to be your high end, granites on the low end, and then quartz and porcelain in the mid range.
Right, and I think if people are very budget conscious, you can also do mix and match. You can use granites in areas like laundry room or outdoor kitchen, and then you can have that extra budget to splurge on the kitchen island.
Right.
So as we're wrapping up here, what's your most favorite product of 2023 with regard to countertops?
Ooh, my favorite product for 2023. On the countertops, I love marble looks. So there's a line that we have called Elevated, and one line is the Maca Vecchia, and it's a beautiful white marble look with heavy, thick gray veins with some gold accent throughout. So by far my favorite marble look.
Wonderful.
And a porcelain countertop.
No grout lines.
That's it, no grout.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. If you want to get in touch with us or a sales design consultant at Architessa, please visit our website at architessa.com or shoot us an email at sales@architessa.com. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in scheduling a design consultation, please reach out to us at info@avarchitectsbuild.com or call our office at 703-865-5065. Thank you.